Welcome back to Daco, where we transform ordinary outdoor spaces into magical backyard escapes filled with charm, creativity, and natural beauty. Today, we're exploring a whimsical small backyard garden packed with repurposed decor and genius rustic landscaping ideas that prove even the tiniest space can feel like a dreamy retreat. From vintage containers turned into flower beds to rustic pathways surrounded by lush blooms, this garden is overflowing with inspiration for anyone who loves cozy outdoor living. Every corner has its own personality, blending cottage-style warmth with practical small-space gardening tricks. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the Daco channel, give this video a like, and share your favorite garden idea in the comments below. Your support helps us keep bringing fresh and inspiring garden designs every week. The entrance to this small backyard garden immediately sets the mood with a weathered wooden gate draped in climbing roses and trailing ivy. Old metal watering cans and vintage lanterns create a nostalgic countryside atmosphere that feels inviting and timeless. A narrow gravel pathway lined with reclaimed bricks gently leads visitors into the garden, adding texture and rustic character. Small solar lights tucked between the plants softly illuminate the path at night, creating a magical evening glow without overwhelming the natural setting. To maximize the tiny space, layered plantings combine low-growing flowers, medium shrubs, and tall vertical climbers. This clever landscaping technique creates depth and makes the backyard appear larger and more immersive than it actually is. One of the most enchanting features of this garden is the creative use of repurposed decor items. An old wooden ladder becomes a vertical planter stand overflowing with colorful petunias, herbs, and cascading vines. Vintage teacups, rusty buckets, and antique drawers are transformed into charming mini flower pots that add personality to every corner. These recycled treasures not only save money but also give the backyard a unique handcrafted aesthetic that feels warm and authentic. Even an old bicycle frame finds new life as a whimsical floral display covered with blooming baskets and soft fairy lights. It's a beautiful reminder that almost any forgotten object can become stunning garden art with a little imagination. Nestled beneath a small pergola is a cozy seating nook designed for peaceful mornings and relaxing evenings. Rustic wooden benches paired with soft cushions and floral textiles create a comfortable space that feels both simple and elegant. Overhead, hanging lanterns and string lights add a magical glow after sunset, while climbing jasmine and wisteria gently frame the seating area with fragrance and softness. This tiny corner becomes the heart of the backyard, perfect for enjoying tea or reading a favorite book. A small reclaimed coffee table made from stacked wooden crates completes the rustic look while providing practical storage for gardening tools and outdoor accessories. It's proof that thoughtful design can make even the smallest backyard feel luxurious and inviting. The flower beds in this garden are bursting with cheerful colors and layered textures that create a playful cottage garden feel. Daisies, lavender, cosmos, and roses blend together naturally, giving the landscape a soft and romantic appearance. Curved bed edges bordered with reclaimed stones add movement and organic flow throughout the yard. Instead of rigid symmetry, the garden embraces a relaxed and whimsical layout that feels spontaneous and alive. Tiny decorative accents like birdhouses, ceramic mushrooms, and miniature garden signs tucked among the flowers bring extra personality and storytelling into the design. These small details encourage visitors to slow down and explore every inch of the space. Because the backyard is compact, vertical gardening plays a major role in maximizing greenery without sacrificing floor space. Wooden trellises support climbing roses, cucumbers, and sweet peas, turning plain walls into living works of art. Hanging baskets suspended from fences and pergolas create multiple layers of vegetation that draw the eye upward. This design trick makes the garden feel taller, fuller, and more dynamic while leaving room for pathways and seating below. Repurposed wooden pallets mounted against the fence serve as vertical herb gardens filled with basil, mint, thyme, and parsley. Not only do they save space, but they also provide fresh ingredients just steps away from the kitchen. A small rustic fountain made from stacked stone and an antique barrel introduces the calming sound of flowing water into the garden. Even in a tiny backyard, a compact water feature can dramatically enhance the atmosphere and create a sense of tranquility. At night, warm string lights woven through tree branches and pergola beams transform the backyard into a magical retreat. The soft lighting highlights the flowers and rustic textures while maintaining a cozy and intimate ambience. Candles placed inside vintage lanterns and mason jars provide additional layers of gentle illumination. Combined with the natural sounds of water and rustling leaves, the entire backyard feels like an enchanting hidden escape from the busy world outside. This garden combines beauty with functionality through clever landscaping choices that maximize every inch of available space. Raised wooden planter boxes define different garden zones while improving drainage and simplifying maintenance. Natural materials like gravel, reclaimed wood, and aged stone help unify the design while keeping costs affordable. These rustic elements also age beautifully over time, giving the backyard even more character as the seasons change. Multi-purpose features such as storage benches, foldable furniture, and movable planters make the garden flexible and practical for everyday living. It's a perfect example of how thoughtful design can turn a small backyard into a highly functional outdoor sanctuary. This whimsical small backyard garden shows that creativity and thoughtful landscaping can transform even the tiniest outdoor space into a peaceful paradise filled with charm and personality. From repurposed decor to rustic pathways and magical lighting, every detail contributes to a warm and inviting atmosphere. Whether you're working with a compact patio, a narrow backyard, or a cozy courtyard, these ideas can inspire you to create your own dreamy outdoor retreat using affordable and creative solutions. Sometimes the most beautiful gardens come from imagination rather than size. Thank you so much for watching today's Daco garden inspiration video. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment sharing which rustic garden idea was your favorite. We'll see you again soon with more beautiful home and garden inspiration.